This is a defect I've never seen before. The headlights are all working fine, right? But the outer projector looks dim, like really dim. It is on, but look at this. You're supposed to see the beam pattern here, but it's not showing up at all. Look closely. See the cutoff line.
It's barely there.
Right now, only this part is lighting up. Something's definitely off.
I can see a rainbow effect.
Should we try the high beam? Anyway, this is our first time seeing this kind of issue. So we're gonna take it apart and check what's going on. There's no visible damage. It arrived in good condition. Let's wrap it up so water doesn't get inside. I brushed it down pretty well, but some spots are still dirty. Got all the corners at least. That should be clean enough. The main module. Oh, wait a second. This main module is shorted. Look at this, right?
Yeah.
Then could the main module be the issue? Do we have another one? Let's go grab one. Man, clean up your stuff.
Found it.
Seriously, organize your tools. This rubber seal is supposed to be here, but it came without it. And you can see burn marks from a short here. So maybe it is the module. Let's swap it and see. Okay, projecting onto the front. Same issue. It should project like this, but it's just turning on. It's not actually throwing the beam forward. This side will blind you instantly, but this side, no matter the angle, no glare at all. It does seem like a headlight issue. We're using a known good module for testing, and it's still not working. Let's just open it up. There's a protective film on the lens. I asked the owner if we should remove it. They said yes. So we're just peeling it off like this. But you gotta be careful. Sometimes the UV coating comes off with it. I know this type of film, so I'm just ripping it off. All right. Oh, ho, ho, ho. There it is. This one's fine, but this is the problem. Let's take it out and check. Yeah, this isn't a module issue. If it were, it would have thrown a warning light, but there wasn't any. So it's probably a hardware issue. Yep. I had a feeling it might be this. There's a small acrylic magnifying lens inside. And it actually fell off. I remember thinking once, this thing could come loose someday. And here we are.
That's a relief.
Why is that a relief?
I thought I'd have to work overtime today.
Huh? This was the cause. This is not supposed to come off. It completely detached. Like this. Come on, see how this fits quick. Yeah, that's right. It goes like this. All right, since it snaps in place, we can just glue it back. There's an easier way to do this.
You gonna use coffee?
Yeah, let's just say that. Yeah, that'll do. Put it in like this. Whoops, flipped it. Okay, now it's done. Should be fine now. That's defective, right? I've never seen anything like that before. Must have been a mistake during assembly. It looks simple, but orientation actually matters. All right, done. Let's put it back together. I gotta remove the old glue. Anyway, we're reassembling with the original module. Let's test it again. That missing rubber seal. Someone probably removed it during inspection or repair. No way it came like that from factory. If it did, the inside would have been filthy. What if it still doesn't work?
Then we take it to Hella.
The heat sink design is kinda disappointing.
Yeah, feels cheap.
Clear cost cutting. All right. Think it'll work.
It should.
Let's see.
Wow, the glare is back.
Shine it on the wall. Yeah, that's it. How is it?
Looks good.
Nice. Perfect.
Don't get too excited.
Now it actually blinds you again. That's a wrap. Note, it's really done. Simple repair, complete. Nice. Removing the film made it look better too.
Looks like they applied the film early on.
Yeah, not right away though. You can see some stone chips already.
Yeah, it's definitely strong now. It's hot here in my arm.
That's how much heat it generates. All right, let's go home.